Hi students, let's have a look at this question that I've circled, and we're going to find the key features of the graph and then sketch it. So first of all, I've got the equation y equals 1/3 x take 1 squared take 3. Now the general form of that is y equals a x minus h squared plus k. So from that I can see that a is a third, which is a positive number, so the graph is going to be shaped like that. HK, so I'm picking the H and the K, which is 1, -3. That is the turning point. So that's the answer to the first part. The axis of symmetry, well, remember the turning point is where the axis of symmetry is going to cut through. So the axis of symmetry is that x value written as an equation because it is an axis. So it must be written x equals. Now the x-axis intercepts. If I have a look at that, the nature of the graph, so given its shape, and what I can see from this is that it's been moved down 3, it should have some x-intercepts. So let's solve that. So the x-intercepts, I substitute y as 0. So I've got 1/3 x take 1 squared take 3 must equal 0. So I'm going to keep the bracket there. I'm taking the -3 over, and then I'm going to times by 3 to undo the third. So I've got x take 1 squared equals 9. That means that x take 1 is the square root of 9, not just square root, positive or negative. And I know the square root of 9 is 3, so x is going to be 1 plus 3, or x is going to be 1 minus 3. So those are my x-intercepts. It says sketch the graph by finding this. So I can sketch the graph. X-intercepts are -2 and 4. The turning point we said is 1, -3. And you can see the shape of the graph. And my axis of symmetry. They haven't asked me for the y-intercept, so I'm not going to do that part right now, but you could substitute in x equals 0 to determine where that cuts the y-axis. Thank you for listening.